biology. Now we have to discuss about the mutation theory. For more updates on biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Arjun Biology. Okay, first we have to discuss about the mutation theory. Mutation theory is proposed by the Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries is the scientist who proposed the mutation theory. Mutation theory is proposed by the Hugo de Vries. The Hugo de Vries worked on the plant that is called Oenothera lamarckiana. He worked on the plant that is called Oenothera lamarckiana. Another name of this Oenothera lamarckiana is evening primrose. Evening primrose or Oenothera lamarckiana. He did work on the Oenothera lamarckiana or in evening primrose, and he identified that mutations are responsible for the evolution. Okay, that is called mutation theory. What is the mutation theory? According to mutation theory, the mutations are responsible for the evolution. Okay, next, he told that evolution of organisms occurs by the mutation, not by the minor variations of Darwin. According to Darwin natural selection, minor variations which are shown by the organisms in struggle for existence are leads to the evolution. But according to mutation theory, the evolution is because of the evolution is not because of minor variation. The evolution is because of the major variations which are occurs by the mutation. Okay, what is the mutation? Mutation means sudden random change in genetic material. Sudden random change in genetic material, in chromosomes, in DNA is called mutation. What is the mutation? Which occurs suddenly and random, then in the genetic material. The sudden random change in genetic material is called mutation. These mutations are inheritable. Inheritable means it will transfer from one generation to another generation. These are inheritable changes. Inheritable changes means these changes which are occurs in organisms are transferred from one generation to another generation. That is about mutation. Mutations are sudden random changes in genetic material, and inheritable changes occurs in organisms. Okay, you remove this also, no problem. Sudden random changes or sudden random inheritable changes occurs in organisms. Sudden random inheritable changes occurs in organisms are called mutations. See, according to Hugo de Vries, these mutations are leads to the speciation. Hence, it is called as saltation. According to Hugo de Vries, the mutations are leads to speciation. Hence, it is called saltation. What is the saltation? Saltation, you can say another way also. The definition of saltation. Saltation means single step large mutation. Single step and large mutation leads to speciation. Formation of new species is called saltation. Or saltation means mutations are responsible for the speciation, that is called saltation. Two definitions are there. First one is mutations are leads to the speciation, that is called saltation, or single step large mutation leads to the speciation. Speciation means formation of a new species, that is called saltation. Now we have to see the few differences between Darwin variation and the Hugo de Vries mutation. First one is Darwin variation is show minor variations. Okay, this will show Darwinism or Darwin variation show the minor variation. According to Darwin natural selection, the minor variations are accumulate, then which leads to formation of new species or which leads to evolution. But here, according to mutation, it will show the large variation. Large variation means suddenly in a short period there is a lot of variation of organisms you can see. Next, the Darwin variation is slow and directional. It is slow, very slow. The small variation occurs which will transfer to next generation, and and that also shows small variation, and it will transfer to next direction, which occurs in a direction in the slow, by the slow manner. Means here what happened, Darwin natural selection is slow, or according to Darwin evolution is slow and directional, one generation to another generation, again from that generation to next generation. But if we see here, mutations is a random, sudden and directionless. Okay, we can, if this organism is normal, again the offspring which produced from this organism may be changed, sudden change, directionless. Okay, you can't say that the next organism again will show the sudden change. It is the directionless. Okay, that is about the mutation. It is random, sudden, occurs in short period and directionless. There is no direction. There is no particular direction for the mutation. Next, okay, it will show gradual evolution. But if you see the mutation, it will show the speciation by salvation. Okay, means mutations leads to speciation or formation of a new species. That are the few differences between the Darwin variation